video, magluluto ako ng Bicol Express. But since na ako sa Tagum, this is Tagum Express. Okay guys, kalalagay ko lang ng oil. Iton kadali.
Okay, go.
Lagyan ng bagoong guys, shrimp paste, black pepper. Okay guys, ibutang na lang ko ang gata. Okay guys, isunod ko yung sitaw guys para pang Bicol Express. Okay guys, next kong ilagay yung sili. Oh. Okay, guys, naluto na itong Bicol Express, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, luto na siya, guys. Guys, ito na yung Bicol Express. Okay. Okay, guys, that's all for now. See you in my next video.